Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to add audio in Canva. On the left hand side, if you scroll down, you will see something like uploads. Just click on it and here you will find something like a button named upload files. Click on it. Now scroll to the audio file that you want to add. Select it and hit open. The file is being uploaded. Just click and drag the audio file into the timeline. You can adjust the audio effects from here. You can adjust the audio. Simply click here and drag to the exact timing when you want to play the audio. And you can also see the option Beat Sync, though it requires Canva Pro feature. If you have it, you can try it. Well guys, that's how you add an audio file in Canva. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.